In this tutorial I will show you how you can change the location or your country on Instagram. First open the Instagram, then make sure that we switch our account type to a business account. If you do have a business account, then you can skip this step. Go over to our Instagram profile page. Tap on three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account. And here set up your business account. Then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Contact Options. Select the business address right here. All you have to do now is to enter in your street name, your city, and the zip code. After that, regarding your city and street name, your country or region will be changed on Instagram. And that's how to change our location on Instagram app.